It's the thirstiest time of the year. I have just one query.
They did surgery on a grape.
The answer is clear. It's the thirstiest time of the year. Sprite, let's go.
Now that I have your attention, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Chef Benny. As you can tell, it's been a while. I've been too busy flexing all the YouTube money that I've made, and I got these glasses, they're Gucci, these shorts are Gucci, this robe is Gucci, these socks are Gucci. But you know, I've been thinking lately, like, I haven't made a video in a long time. It's been probably 5 months, right? So what I'm gonna do for y'all today, we got something really special. It's what I like to call Chef Benny's greatest hits, okay? Basically what that means is we're gonna go back together and relive some of Chef Benny's greatest moments. So I hope you enjoy that. Catch you guys on the flippity flop. And also be sure to drink your Ovaltine. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. And start. They see me rolling. They hating. And at least I don't kiss my son for 5 seconds straight, Tom.
That was like a peck.
Who's your fantasy quarterback, Jack?
Not
Cam
his
Newton.
dad.
Cam Newton.
Not his dad.
You're nasty, bro.
Alright. Oh, this is sketchy. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Wow, that's so cool! Oh, you see this?
Bread thing. It looks like it's basically fruit cake, from what I'm guessing.
What are you laughing about?
Like not rapping, he's singing a song, but it's like a higher voice, you know. Anyways. Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. Yo, I could be a bartender. That was pretty good.
My aunt would be ashamed of me if she saw me right now.
Tastes like something at Panda Express. It's like it tastes the way Panda Express smells on the inside of the restaurant. I'd like to address one thing. We gotta get rid of all this nasty corn because, come on, people, who's eating that crap? Okay. What's this? The corn slipped through the cracks. Now it's time for the eating portion of our show, where I eat what I've created, and you can't have any. When it's done. That sounds like that one volcano that wiped out Pompeii. And two white girl things collide. However you pronounce this. I don't know. And pumpkin spice. Mix them together, and you got yourself one heck of a white girl concoction. Goodness. Yeah, same story, except even grosser. Look at that. Look at that. So we're gonna start with the regular one. I can already tell this is gonna have a good crunch. This is gonna pick up real good on the mic. Let's just.
Are you done? Well, look at that. Watch. Whoa. Oh.
Alright, so today it's time to go over the ingredients. So right on over to you, camera number 2. Sprinkle it on. A little more. A little more. A little more. A little more. That's good. Okay.
And then this is where the magic happens. So, open up that pickle. Ooh, it smells good already. That's pretty good. SpongeBob has a pet oyster named Clammy. What do you think? It's been a long time since I've unwrapped a stick of butter. Let me tell you. The butter is stuck and I've bent the whisk. The majority of this is butter so far, but we're making progress. Star Wars Episode 8 is on Netflix? Wow. That's awesome. I remember this well from when my grandma would make it for me as a kid. Alright. So basically you just keep mixing it, right? Just like grandma used to. Okay? And after a while, what you'll find is that the peanuts and the peanut butter, and the butter, they just kind of mix together, right? And you got some peanut butter. It made a lot of cookies. We probably could have made them smaller. They taste really good. Probably. And then you take the scissors first, and I don't know what he's wanting me to do with these. I think you just cut it in half. Are you kidding me? I keep messing up at toast. I'm not a good toaster, I guess. I think it's time to...
Oh, you got
I'm
a little,
sorry, what?
You got a little something on your mouth there. It's pretty
You know
long.
what? We'll be right back. We're having technical difficulties. Okay? Just one sec. You listen to me right now. You do not embarrass me on camera like that. Why would you? You're not getting food rations for a week. Jeff! Would you look at that? Heard the beepity beep beep. Now it's done. We rolling?
Yeah.
Alright. So, thank you for watching that collection of wonderful videos this holiday season. I hope you guys have a good Christmas. And we're going to start 2019 off right. The Chef Benny way. Thank you and happy holidays, as usual. Mamba out.